11th gen core lineup unveiled as more reviews leak. Intel gets a little desperate. In total, there are 19 SKUs, 30 including low-end Comet Lake refreshes. So these are just like rebranded 11th gen, but actually last gen. And it's not looking that compelling. There's a lot of overlap. Industry speculation is that the Core i7 11700K and KF will basically offer the same performance as the 11900K because it appears that they are, wait, are these both 8 cores now? Yeah. Then they have 8 core. So the i7 and the i9 are both 8 core chips. And it's just that the i9 boosts 300 megahertz higher, but do they both have turbo velocity boost? Right, but you could probably manually... No, okay. The i7 doesn't have turbo velocity boost. But then my understanding is you can basically manually tune that for the most part anyway if you have the patience for it. Or no, not quite. No, not quite. It won't behave quite the same. You can probably get slightly more performance out of TVB if you have an adequate cooler, which is where Intel's like sub-ambient Peltier effect coolers came in. And then they've got 6 cores, 11, that's the i5 range. Yeah, that's basically all i5s are 6-core processors. That is a lot of, wow, how many freaking, that is 19 SKUs of just 6 and 8 core i5s to i9s.
In a lot of places, 50 or less dollar gaps.
Yeah, here, actually, here, I can just throw display capture over here. And Anthony threw this in here. RC Mail posted this on the forum, by the way. But yeah, these are like, but what? Like, okay, so this is a low power one, and this is a not low power one. They're the same price.
Same price.
This is a $10 difference for this one versus this one. Okay,
same
KF.
price for the other low power one.
You save $15 or $25 for an F, which doesn't have onboard graphics. So that's neat, I guess. Okay. I was really hoping Rocket Lake was going to really surprise me.
Really going to take off?
Well, I mean, just because a rocket takes off doesn't mean it can't still explode.
True.
SpaceX taught us this. You can have a successful launch and still have it go boom.
And that can actually still be a good thing, oddly enough.
But at the end of the day, the early reviews, which I personally think we can probably just, treat as reviews. If we were talking about engineering sample silicon, early silicon, sure, fine. But these are retail chips. Like, let's get real. Ridiculous thermals and disappointing performance seem to be the defining traits next to AMD.
Very cool